Hi guys, welcome back. So guys, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. I want to do a 2 week challenge using clove and rosemary on my hair, both on my front edges and both on my natural hair. This is the state of my hair right now. I'm going to lose these braids, okay, and I'll make a new one. Then we'll start our 2 weeks challenge. I can't wait to see the result after using this cloves and rosemary for 2 weeks. So guys, stay glued, stay connected to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome to my space. My name is Naturally Jessie. Welcome to today's video. So guys, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like the video, share and comment. So let us go make my hair, then I'll come back and show you guys how I'll be applying this on my hair. Okay, so let's go.
So loves, let's go down to the recipe. Okay, here I added just a teaspoon of rosemary and a teaspoon of clove, but if you want to do a bigger batch you can use one. This one I want to do small batch because we are going to be using it for 2 weeks, so I'm going to be renewing this particular one, okay, after 5 days is over. So this was few hours later. All right, so I intentionally soaked this for 2 days straight because I needed the water to be potent. Okay, so this was 2 days, few hours later. All right, and this was the next day. I'm going to strain this. All right, so there's a little bit of difference. The water is a bit more darker than previously. Yeah, so I'm going to strain this way. So loves, I'm going to shake it just to mix everything together. Then this is my spray bottle. I have transferred it in my spray bottle. This is what we have. So I'm going to braid my hair and I'll show you guys how to apply this on your hair the best way. Okay, if you're new to the channel, hello, welcome to my space. Here I create natural ingredients to help you grow out your hair. If you're suffering from alopecia, thin edges, how to grow your hair. This is me making my hair right now. I went to my sister's place for her to make my hair, and yeah, she's gonna give me like few cornrows, okay, and I'll try to carry this for like 2 weeks, maximum 2 weeks. Then I'll lose the cornrow. I'll show you guys my length. Okay, previously I did a video whereby I did a length check. If you've not seen it, just go scroll down in the channel. You will see where I wrote my 3 weeks update of using clove on my hair. That is the video where I did a length check. Okay, so please check that video out. You see the length of my hair in that video. So we're going to be comparing the length of my hair in that video with the length of my hair after the 2 weeks of using cloves and rosemary, because rosemary helps to grow out your hair. So this is the all back I have. Like, I literally made this all back. Then I also secure my ends because I don't want anything to be dragging my hair. So this is how I secure my ends, and this is what the hair looks like, guys. So here I will show you guys how I'm going to be spraying this on my hair. As you can see, guys, this is a new fresh braid. So after the 2 weeks, I'll show you guys what my hair looks like. Okay, so keep on watching, loves. So guys, this is what my hairspray looks like. So I always spray it before I put it on my hair because for me to know if the spray bottle is actually working, and just to remove the first hairs. Yeah, so I'm going to spray this all over my hair. I am spraying from the into my scalp and my hair, everywhere. Just make sure that you spray this hair tea on your hair. Okay, cloves helps to promote hair growth, which also helps to prevent hair loss. It helps to prevent graying of hair. It helps you to, if you have like a bald spot in your hair, clove is going to help you to grow out that area. Yeah, so growing your natural hair, it takes time, it takes patience. Hair don't just grow just like that. Okay, you need to be patient and also have a routine. Know your routine, know what your hair loves, do that on your hair for your hair to grow. Okay, guys, so this is the roller I will using. I did a video about this roller. Okay, it's also in the channel. You can do what to check it. So this is the second time using the roller. Okay, this is what I have. I'll be using this roller on my hair, and I'll be updating you guys after 3 months on this roller. So I'm just adding it to this clip because I said in my previous video I'll show you guys how I use the roller, just in case we got new new fans that joined the family and is not updated about the roller. So here I first of all sprayed the cloves and rosemary on my head, and I'm going to use this roller to just roll all over my head. This helps to, in case you're having any stubborn part in your hair, this is going to punch those blood for it to circulate more. Okay, it's just like a massager, but this helps very well. I have tested it and I've seen result. Okay, so I'm just going to be rolling this all over my hair, all over my edges, everywhere I have that both area, because my hair was not like this year before. You guys have seen my hair line before, and this is a very, very good improvement to tell you it actually works. So gloves, I hope you enjoyed today's video with me. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Kindly hit on the subscribe button to officially join the family, and I'm on the road or on a journey to grow my natural hair and also grow this channel to 1,000 subscribers, and also grow out our watch hour this year by God's grace. Okay, so I'm also a mom of a toddler. If in case you've not joined my family in vlogging, I'll leave the name right here. You can also watch my vlog channel, but right here I only do videos about hair to improve your hair growth. If you are just like me that is trying to grow out your edges, your thin edges, your bald spots, your alopecia hair, stick around. I will be the one to try out different things on my hair. So love, here I'm adding my oil to my hair just to seal in all the yolk goodness of the cloves and the rosemary. Okay, if you want to know what is inside this oil, please leave a comment. I will try and maybe recreate this oil. This oil I did it in a big batch, so I'll just try and recreate the oil so that you can know what's inside this oil. This oil has simply really helped me a lot in my hair growth. Okay, so I'm just going to be applying the oil on my scalp, then I will massage my hair, and try and be massaging your hair, guys. It also helps to improve blood circulation as well. So I always limit the touching the front of my hairline. Okay, after I do this treatment, this rolling treatment on my hairline, I limit touching my hairline. Okay, and I'm also adding the oil onto the ends of my hair, because those places also need our TLC. So try limit touching your front hairline. It also helps to stop that bald spot and the rest. So this is what I am doing, and yeah, keep on watching to the end of the video. Okay, loves. So guys, that's the end of the video. Okay, so this is day 1 of today's challenge, and today is 27 thereabout of January. So for my edges, I'm keeping a time frame for my edges here, 27th of January. So I'll come back with a more better result by 3 months time, as I said in my previous hair video. So I'm just going to be doing this on the rolling something. I won't be doing it every time on camera, each time I'm doing any hair tea treatment. Okay, for the 2 weeks challenge or using clove and rosemary, today is day 1. So in the next 14 days I will show you guys the results. So I'll just think I'll post this one for today, that is day 1. Then the next 14 days I will show you guys the results. So this is what my hair looks like right now. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like the video, share and comment. I'm not using my external mic for now, so I hope you guys can hear me. So I'll see you guys in the next one.